Hello everyone. So the next recipe that we're going to prepare is the sweet couscous. Its original name is masfouf and it's a known Algerian dish. It's a sweet buttery couscous with raisins and nuts or just anything you like. So you can put anything you like in this couscous, but the most important thing is to add raisins. It's an important ingredient. Couscous is decorated to mark a special celebration such as a wedding. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar, flaked almonds, walnuts, silver candies. Candies are actually optional, but if you have kids, adding candies will be a great way to persuade them to eat some couscous. It's really important. And I think it's our way to keep our traditions alive by adding some new tricks that will modernize the dish. Raisin and halva. It's a traditional sweet found in the Middle East and Africa, and it's typically made with a mix of either honey and sesame seeds and sugar. Moreover, halva have so many flavors. The most common flavors of halva are pistachio and marble. Personally, I like the pistachio. We're going to need also butter. You can replace butter with the same amount of extra virgin coconut oil or even use olive oil instead, but don't forget that these will affect the taste of your dish for sure. Honey and 2 cups of couscous, so around 150 grams. So we're going to start our preparation. The first step is to mix butter with sugar. The steaming process of the sweet couscous is the same as couscous with chicken, so we're not going to repeat this step. After 2 rounds of steaming, we put the steamed couscous with sugar and also butter. After 10 minutes, the butter will be completely melted. Meanwhile, we will steam the raisin for 10 minutes and we will mix everything together. As you can see, the butter melted completely because couscous was in the couscousier. After 1 round of steaming, the raisin was ready. So we're going to add it to the couscous and mix everything together. You have to know that now the masfouf is ready. So it's up to you now to add anything you like on the top. Or you can just do my way and squeeze the couscous inside a cake pan. We don't need to grease up the pan because we've added butter to the couscous. So I'm almost done. And here I'm trying to make the top of the couscous flat. It takes some time. That's why we do the decoration of the masfouf only in weddings. In ordinary days, we just prepare masfouf with raisins. Turn the pan over so the whole couscous drops right out. So here's our sweet couscous with honey and lemon, which is a drink traditionally prepared by allowing milk to ferment for around 24 hours.